Electrorecycling.
Hey guys, today we are going to get started with Color Basic. Now, I have this manual and we are going to use MC10 Basic, because that's how I've been programming. So let's get started. Where? Chapter 1. Meet your computer. Have you connected and turned on your computer? Yes, we have. Are you ready to give it a first workout? Of course. Now, depending if you're using an emulator or actual hardware, I have the actual MC10 computer, like, almost right in front of me. But the thing is, it's easier to record on an emulator and have both of these tabs. It's way more easy to do and way more simple. So we are using an emulator. I think it's called TRS-80GP, where you can go in here and change your model and choose MC10. This chapter and the next introduce you to your computer, the way it thinks, some of its talents, and even a couple of its quirks. By the time you reach chapter 3, you'll be ready to program. Promise. Type whatever you want, then press the enter key. Don't worry about anything but the last line of type on your screen. That means it says, okay. Type whatever. Okay is the computer's prompt. It's telling you, okay, enough foolishness. As soon as you are ready, it patiently waits for your command. You're the master. You tell the computer to do whatever you wish. The CLS, that's the clear screen command, for if you wonder. Okay. Give the computer your first command. Type this exactly as it is bold. So I actually I watched a video on the old extended basic, and it's basically the same beginning part, sorry. When you reach the right side of your screen, keep typing. The last part of the message appears on the next line. Now check your line. Did you put the quotation marks where we have them? Yes. If you made a mistake, no problem. Simply press the left arrow. I have the food on this emulator. It's food, so you can just use normal backspace. Now check your line. Oh yeah. Simply press the back arrow key, the left arrow key, and the last letter you type disappears. Press it again, and the next to the last disappears, and so on and so on. Ready? This should be on your screen. Press the enter key and watch. Your screen should look like this. Hi, I'm your color computer. Nice. Okay. Your computer just obeyed you by printing the message you have in quote. Have it print another message. Type print 2. Oh, no, shift 2. Okay. Press enter. The computer basic. Try another one. Print 2 plus 2. That's not right though. You probably expect more than an electronic mimic. Maybe some answers. Give your computer some numbers without the quotation marks. Type print 2 plus 2. 8! Or much better, just time the computer prints the answer. Why are people highlighting these books? doesn't matter. The quotation marks obviously have a meaning. Experiment with it. Come on, type it in. We're not doing these. Any conclusion on what these do? A color calculator, no less. Any arithmetic problem is a snap. Piece of long division. Type 380. 3,860 divided. I'm not talking about typing it in. 300. 292.575758. Weird pattern up here. Why am I typing? We're clear. Okay. Yeah. Now it's your turn. Write 2 command lines that print these 2 problems. Okay, print 15 equals okay, and 95 times not 46. Okay. Okay, do it yourself cool. If you use the correct command lines, this is what the computer prints on your screen. Yeah, that's right. Yes, I did right. It has rules. By now, your computer has probably printed some funny little messages on your screen. If it hasn't, type this line. Deliberately misspelling the word print. Greens. Okay, we're going to greens. Hi. We're not printing it, we're printing it. Syntax error. Yes, I know that. There's an error. Well, how this person just did it. Can't tell if this is part of the book or not. SN error stands for syntax. This is the computer's way of saying command greens is not in my my vocabulary. I have no earthly idea what you want me to do. Anytime you get the SN error, you probably made some kind of typographical mistakes. So, the computer also gives you error messages when it does understand what you want it to do, but it feels like you're asking it to do something that is illogical or impossible. For instance, try this. Print 5 divided by 0. Divide by 0. Don't ask me to divide by 0, that's impossible! It's a show off too. So far, all you've seen your computer silently print on your screen. Your color computer enjoy showing off. Oh yeah, that's a pretty really good. Ooh, green stripe. But why use the green stripe? Whenever the computer prints characters, it must. Oh yeah, I should probably read this. Your command told the computer to clear the screen and print the color number green. But why the green stripe? Whenever the computer prints characters, it must use a green background. Now I'll do that. Type some more characters. Yep. Yes, don't need anything. Colors other than green are for printing pictures. Well, if you see a, oh, this is funny. If you see a message saying Microsoft, or if you see an FC error, that's using a number. So look, close 0 that was well, maybe stop 0 less 8. That's the last. But if you do like 19, Microsoft, it's a bit of an Easter egg. I think when you're this reset button's a bit of a trick. Look, if I do like 10, and then I press the virtual reset button, it looks like it's what? You have to type new. So, yeah, that's something you can like load a cassette tape in, and then press reset button and access all the code. Nice. Cracking just made easier. Okay. Alright, you can read all this. I kind of simplified it. Computer sound. Off. 1, 2. Sound off. 1, 2. Type this. Sound 100. Sound 100. Okay. If you don't hear anything, turn up the volume. No, I'm not turning it. If you don't hear any, oh yeah, what you're hearing is 6 seconds of the lowest tone the computer can. How about the highest? We're not listening to that because that is very high pitched. And it's probably gonna like hurt your ears. So yeah, you can thank me. Actually, close your ears if you don't want to hear this. I'll set it for like 2. Ew. See? That was very. If you want to know what the other numbers for, the second number tells the computer how long to hum. The shift in 0, which is caps. He's holding down both of the C. On here, it's just a caps lock. The letters you type should be green on a black. Oh, that's what it on. So on is 1. On is this. Yeah. Reaction. The computer gives you some text here. Square print. Your computer never forgets unless you turn it on. One skill that makes your computer so powerful is its memory. Have it remember the number 13 items. A equals 13. Okay. Now confuse the computer by typing whatever you want. Print A. 13. Nice. Yes. Your computer remembers that A is 13 as long as you have it on. Or until you do. Type A equals 17. If you ask it to print A now. This is what happened in your computer's memory. So your computer's memory, A equals 13, and then, you change it to value. Okay. You don't have to use the letter A, you can use any letters. You can use any letter, any two letters. But that's actually not true. 2 equals 9. That's gonna say syntax error, because the word 2 is actually, when used in a program, can actually be, or like a specific command can actually do, you know, like, that can actually lead to, like, that's a function and stuff, and like, the for command. So, like if I do, or equals 10, yeah, because or is, like a logic command or whatever can be used in like logical statements and stuff. So yeah, you can use any combination, but not really any. You just can't use ones that are gonna be used for commands, because of or I equals 1, 2, 2, 2? It doesn't make sense. So yeah. If you ask it to print A, here, okay, B is that. You don't really need to. You probably know what's coming. If you want the computer to remember a string of letters and numbers, use a letter with the $sign. String. Type A string equals try to. B string equals remember. This. Tis? Who cares? I care. Rate reader, Alright. Then type print A string, B string, C string, and BC string. Try to remember tab, tis, you tab. You would, I could do a more practical thing, CD equals space print a string C D string B string B string C D string C string. Oh god, this is hard. B string C D string C D string BC string. There we go. That's a practical way to do it. Try it. Oh, just speak word dollars. Computer types have a name for all the letters you've used. Variables. So far, you've used these variables. Your computer's memory. Numbers A, B, C, B, C. Pictures A, B, C, B, C. Spot check. It's not gonna work. Didn't do that. And we reset. The computer is fussy about rules. Do you think the computer accepts these lines? D equals 6. 6. Oh. Z. Well, I know the answer is no. This string. Oh. Oh well. The computer responds to both above lines. TM error. It's yelling that you have to play by it. Will it tell you? Ah, it doesn't tell you. Okay, so TM. Oh, yeah. Type mismatch. It just said it right there. The rules ignored by the above lines are any data imports with string data. Yes. Can assign string data only to variables with the notion. So string variables can only be assigned string data. To make the above lines obey the computer's rules, use a $sign with the D and Z. Type D string equals 6. D string equals 6. That's more. Z string equals, this is string data. Now whenever I think of string, I think of string cheese. But I don't even call it that. I call it like a cheese stick, so yeah. How about this one? D string equals 6. Nope. No it won't. Take this, which the computer says. D equals 6. Z is 12. It's multiples. Type this. Yes. You've now added this. Right. Now do something interesting with what you asked the computer to remember. Print D times 2. That's gonna be C. Print Z divided by 2. We're actually gonna make a little program. 10 print. I'm not gonna do it. Print E times 2. D times 2 equals Z. Z equals okay. Yeah. The computer prints. Okay, I don't know what that is. I'm not in that kind of section of math yet. Please. Print string bit. Exercise. We don't need it. Alright. Rules on variables. You may use any two characters from A to Z. The first letter must be a letter from A to Z. However, the second may be either numerical. If you want to assign it string data, put a $sign after it. Otherwise, it can only hold data. And that's gonna be about it for today. I would like to thank you guys for watching. But a quick overview: we learned printing the sound. We learned the string variables. We learned we learned all of this